So I'm back. We're doing some work, putting up a redneck pagoda. The whole idea is you can see what I do is I'm gonna put some fence here, picked up at the old Home Depot, and we're assembling the fence. It's not to specs, of course. I'm not a carpenter, but it will do. It is secure and safe. And this is going to go up in these. I'm going to put these poles up here with my sons, my two big boys. We're going to put those poles up, and these peas that we planted, you might see one coming right up right here right now. Actually, let's see here. There's a pea right there. I don't know if you can see it. I can put my finger on it. There it is. Okay, that's a pea, guys. That's one that's coming up. Now they're going to start climbing, and that's what they're going to start climbing. Okay, and then I'm going to put in some scarlet runners. I found the seeds the other day, and we're going to pull out some of these weeds. I don't know if you've seen some of the thistles and dandelions coming up through here, but not a big issue. Nothing we can't fix. Morning glories coming up, doing well. So we're just putting everything up, and when I come back, you're going to see hopefully something. We're back here. Just want to show you what we've been doing. Got the old cell phone out right now instead of 4K. Not that my videos are all that good anyway, but just we're building this pagoda thing and just clearing out the holes. We've got this far so far, and of course it's pretty hard to film whenever you're building, and I don't think you really need to see that because most of you people are pretty handy out there. So I'm just securing this with good plates. Last year I just stapled it. This year I'm going to secure it. Got a little bit of a loop there, but I don't care. Beans are going to climb that, and it won't matter anyway. So yeah, the pole beans, they climb right over top of this at 10 foot. So pole beans will run about, that's the red scarlet runners. Those things there will go about 10, 11 feet tall. So that's what it looks like. Just put fencing on here, secured it with screws and a plate to do a better job. And then I might put some of these, I don't know if you've seen them, but garden lights or solars. Maybe I might secure one or two to the top here and make it a little spiffy, but I don't know. We'll see. So there's what's going on. It looks a little bit messy right now, but it's going to look a lot nicer in a little bit. That's going to be like the courtyard, like an English courtyard, guys. So I'm going to call that the English courtyard with a no-dig garden right there. And over here is going to be the yard, where we can have a little pit and have a little fire, grow the watermelon over there, maybe some flowers over there, maybe a little cantaloupe over there, some tomatoes in there. I don't know what to put in there. It's probably herbs, I think. Something nice and gentle. All right, taking a break for now, guys. Pagoda is up. Not too much bloodshed. Not too many tears, not too much swearing. It all got done. So I'm going to be totting this thing up. This fence naturally stretches. It's the cheap stuff from Home Depot. Like the whole thing, 50 foot cost me about 40 bucks. I got 100, so. And I've dotted it up with some bungee cord, because nothing, you know, you need a pole every 4 feet when you work with this stuff, but I just cheaped out. The hell with it. Now the Scarlet runners and the peas, I don't know if you can see the pea. There's one pea up here, was anyway. Might have got buried in all the kerfuffle, but it was up near the surface. Right, oh, there it is, guys. Oh, you can see that. That's our first pea. Okay. And that's gonna probably climb to about here. They don't go that high, right about here. The Scarlet runners will go all the way to the top and right over. And then I'm gonna put morning glories in here. Now morning glories take a little longer, and they won't come all the way up here until sometime in August, late August, September. They're late. So, you see how we secured this? Last year I just stapled it. That was a half-assed job, a little bit better now. Next year I'm just gonna do one straight plate. Right, straight down the hinge plate. And I got a little bit of sinus, as you can tell. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's not quite taut, but like it's going to stretch, and the board's bent at the top. But like I say, we're not building a house. We're just building a redneck pagoda. Things are going to climb it. All right, Rob out for now.